Most people believe you must work 24 hours a day to become successful. Wake up early, work late, hustle nonstop. They believe success only comes from stress, long hours, and working without rest. Social media has made it seem like if you're not working every minute, you're not serious about success. But here's the truth. Some of the smartest entrepreneurs don't work harder. They work smarter. They don't trade time for money forever. Instead, they build systems that work for them. While they sleep, while they travel, while they relax, money still comes in. This is called passive income, and it's one of the biggest secrets of wealthy people. Think about it. When you sleep, Netflix still makes money, Amazon still makes money, Airbnb still makes money. Even while you're watching this video, these companies are making money somewhere in the world. Why? Because they built businesses that run even without them. That's the power of building systems instead of working endlessly. So in today's video, we're going to explore 7 lazy businesses that make money while you sleep. These businesses are simple, scalable, and beginner-friendly. Some require little capital, some require just your phone, and some can be started from home. And make sure you stay till number 1, because it's one of the easiest businesses to start today. But before we begin, if you're serious about making money, building wealth, and learning profitable business ideas, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because on this channel, we share business ideas, money strategies, and wealth-building tips that can change your financial future. Now let's get started. Number 7, digital products business. Imagine creating something once and selling it forever. That's exactly what digital products allow you to do. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, guides, checklists, digital planners, business documents. Once you create them, you can sell them again and again without extra work. For example, someone creates an ebook about how to start a small business. They upload it online, then someone buys it while they're sleeping. Another person buys it tomorrow. Another person buys it next week. Another person buys it next month. That's passive income. The best part? You don't need inventory. You don't need delivery. You don't need a physical store. You don't need staff. Just create once and earn repeatedly. Many creators today make thousands monthly from digital products. This is why digital products are one of the smartest lazy businesses. Number 6, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses to start today. And the best part? You don't even need your own product. Here's how it works. You promote other people's products. When someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. That's it. You don't create the product. You don't handle customers. You don't manage delivery. You don't worry about refunds. You simply recommend and earn. For example, you recommend a business book. Someone buys using your link. You earn money. You recommend a software. Someone signs up. You earn money. You recommend an online course. Someone buys. You earn money. Many people earn thousands monthly doing this. You can promote online courses, software, books, business tools, digital products. And once your content is online, it keeps earning while you sleep. For example, you create a YouTube video today. That video can generate affiliate income for years. This is why affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income businesses. Number 5, YouTube automation channel. YouTube is one of the most powerful passive income businesses in the world. You create videos once, and they keep generating views for years. Every view can generate ad revenue, affiliate income, sponsorship deals, product sales. Some videos posted years ago still generate money today. For example, someone creates a video titled 5 Businesses You Can Start Today. That video continues getting views daily, and every view generates income. That's the power of YouTube. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face. You can create voiceover videos, animation videos, educational videos, motivational videos, just like you're doing right now. Many YouTube automation channels make thousands monthly. Once your videos are posted, they work for you 24/7. This makes YouTube one of the best lazy businesses today. Number 4, rental business. Rental businesses are classic passive income businesses. You buy something once, then rent it repeatedly. For example, car rental, equipment rental, camera rental, apartment rental. Chair rental, event equipment rental. People pay you to use your asset, and you keep earning. For example, you buy chairs for events, you rent them every weekend, you keep earning. Because once it's set up, income becomes consistent. This is why rental businesses are powerful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Number 3, print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand is one of the easiest online businesses you can start today, especially if you're looking for a lazy business that can make money while you sleep. The reason it's called print-on-demand is simple products are only printed when someone places an order. That means you don't need to buy products up front or store inventory. Here's how it works. You create simple designs such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, caps, bags, notebooks, wall art, stickers. Then you upload your designs to print-on-demand platforms like online marketplaces or your own store. When someone places an order, the platform automatically prints the product, packages it, ships it to the customer. You don't handle inventory. You don't handle delivery. You don't handle packaging. You don't handle customer service in most cases. You simply upload your designs and earn. This is why print-on-demand is considered one of the most passive and beginner-friendly businesses. And once your designs are uploaded, you can earn while you sleep, you can earn while traveling, you can even earn while doing another job. Many people create simple motivational designs and make consistent income. For example, work smart, not hard, future millionaire, boss mindset, stay consistent, success loading, financial freedom. These are simple text-based designs, but they sell because people love motivational messages. The best part is you don't need to be a professional designer. You can use free tools like Canva to create simple designs. Once you upload multiple designs, your chances of making sales increase. Some people upload 50 designs, some upload 100, some upload 500 designs. The more designs you upload, the more money you can potentially make. This is why print-on-demand is one of the best lazy businesses that can generate passive income over time. Number 2, blogging website. Blogging is another powerful passive income business that many people overlook. While it may seem old-fashioned, blogging is still one of the most effective ways to make money online. Here's how blogging works. You create helpful articles. People search for information on Google. They find your blog, they read your content, and you earn money. You can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling digital products, selling courses. Some blogs generate income for years without needing constant updates. Imagine writing one article and earning from it for 3 years, or even 5 years. That's the power of blogging. For example, you write an article titled 10 Businesses You Can Start with Low Capital People. Searching for business ideas. Find your article, they click, they read, and you earn from ads or affiliate links. More traffic, more clicks, more income. The best part about blogging is that it grows over time. Your first month may bring little traffic, but as you post more content, your blog grows, your traffic increases, your income grows. Blogging takes patience, but once it grows, income becomes passive. Many bloggers today earn thousands monthly from simple blog posts. This is why blogging is still one of the best lazy businesses today. Number 1, online course business. Online courses are one of the most profitable passive income businesses today. People are constantly looking for ways to learn new skills, improve their knowledge, and grow their income. You create a course once and then sell it repeatedly. For example, business course, marketing course, skill course, finance course, digital skills course, social media course. People pay to learn valuable skills, and once the course is created, it can sell for years. You don't need to create new content every day. You don't need to ship products. You simply create once and sell repeatedly. For example, you create a course on how to start a small business. You upload it to an online platform. Then people buy daily. That's passive income. Many entrepreneurs today make thousands and even millions from online courses. The best part? You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know more than beginners. Share what you know, help others, and earn in the process. This is why online courses are number 1. The truth is simple. You don't need to work all day to make money. You just need to build systems that work for you. Lazy businesses work because they generate passive income, they are scalable, they grow consistently, Many successful entrepreneurs built their wealth using these businesses. The key is simple. Start small, stay consistent, build systems. Over time, these lazy businesses can change your life. Even if you start with just one, you can grow and expand later. So here's my question. Which of these businesses would you start today? Comment below. Digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube channel, rental business, print on demand, blogging, online course. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.